was really hoping to be able to vlog me getting ready in the morning and all that fun stuff. But of course, I'm just kind of like running. I'm not late, but I just feel rushed, you know. It's just like anxiety and all that. So here we are. I'm on the way to pick up my model, Titi. And might pick up some coffee. I haven't even had coffee. I swear I'm having hot flashes right now. Like, it's so hot. But yeah, I'm excited. Of course, a little nervous. So yeah. I'll see you guys when I get back on this thing. To start off, you want to start with like a very clean face. Wash it, you know, your regular routine. I usually use a moisturizer. You want to make sure your face is really moisturized. It kind of depends on what kind of skin you have as well. If you have dry skin, then you definitely want to use a moisturizer. And I also have like a glow mist, which is, it just adds extra moisture to your skin. That way your makeup can just kind of like melt into your skin. Ow. It's just open here. And it's just a mist. This one is by Pixi. Been pore minimizing, because I've been using this one and really loving it. It'll, if you have bigger pores, then it'll kind of like fill them in. So, on myself, I use my fingers and then I press down on a primer. Even when I use this, I always press down, like on my. Let it set. You want to let your primer set for, I would say like 10-15 minutes. Let it get like tacky, you know, and that's when you can put on foundation. So while we're waiting, I do the brows. So that way you're not just sitting there staring at yourself. So we can move on. This is my favorite pencil. This is by Benefit and it's called Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I'm gonna use the shade 6, which is a pretty dark shade, but I just go lightly. You can go as light as you want or as dark as you want. Totally up to you. We'll start off with like the lightest color. And always cut off a little bit of the excess. And then I'm gonna start off until you get the color that you want or as dark as you want. But you always want to start off lighter. You don't want to go straight to like a dark color and just have like a spot of dark that you can't blend out. So it's just safer to kind of start off lighter and go darker as you kind of blending outwards and upwards. And I'm still using my really heavy darker brown just to deepen it a little bit to the center of your eyelid. And you still want to kind of blend it out. I usually take just a regular clean, like fluffy brush, and I just go back and just blend everything together so you don't have any harsh lines. And you want it to look just like a smoky type eyeshadow. Kind of like a quick, natural look that I want to do. I don't really add much to like the inner corner except for like a powder. So just whatever, you know, your shade is, you just take that and just kind of brush it, and also it's gonna blend in everything. I apply these, and these are by these are in the style Molly, and they're pretty. And when you trim them, cut from the outer corner, not the inner. You want to cut this area. You want to let it dry until it's more tacky. If it's runny, then it's gonna get everywhere and it's not gonna stick. And then the glue gets everywhere and it's horrible. So if it's tacky, then it'll stick right wherever you put it. I'm gonna use, this is from Too Faced. This is Born This Way, color Almond. I feel like it works better than a beauty blender. So I use a kind of like a flat kind of brush. It's fluffy, but it's flat on top. And I feel like it just blends it better. And it doesn't take away so much product, because sometimes beauty, the sponges just like soak in all the makeup. When I'm blending, I like to press in as well as like out. So in and you bring it all the way down. And I put it literally, like I cover my mouth with it and everything. I feel like when you put foundation on your mouth, it kind of prepares it for when you put lipstick on. And it just also kind of like a primer for your... With concealer, I do use a beauty blender. I don't know why, but I feel like it works better just for the concealer. And then you want to wet it. You can use water, or I use setting spray. I feel like it helps the makeup. You always want to set your concealer. I'm using CoverGirl, just a translucent powder. I set the rest of your makeup with just a regular powder. So pretty much where I didn't put the translucent, I'm gonna put the other powder, and that's just to set the other, the foundation. It's really messy. The translucent powder it gets all over the place. Bronzer, this is from Frankie Rose, but any bronzer works. And you just choose whatever color best fits you. And I'm gonna go in with a little brush and just grab little by little. Again, you don't want to grab a lot and then just like go like that, and then you can't erase it. So just little by little. Powder. I'm just using one by JCat. They sell makeup in like, I think Ulta and stuff like that. Fluffy brush is good for blush, and add color little by little. I always go back with the brush that has nothing. You just swiped off powder, and I just go back and blend everything. Makeup is setting spray. So I feel like this is very important if you want your makeup to stay put all day. Just a little fluffy brush and a tiny bit goes a long way. A lot is smoke out the bottom of your eyes. I just feel like it adds a little more to it. But then, I mean, you can also just leave it just like this. The one that that I used like the first time. And the last thing I'm going to do to her eyes is add some mascara on the bottom lashes. So that's pretty much it. The last thing I do with a matte lipstick, I always with my finger just go like that, and it takes off like any excess lip product that's probably just gonna stay there. I'm just gonna clean up some of the things. This is like a super easy, I would say, like super easy look. So pretty quick too. Yeah. Yeah.
If you guys want to grab some fruit, and then you guys can have a seat again, and that way you guys can answer any questions you guys might have.
You like it? Oh, here's a mirror. Got a mirror.
Well, good thing it's Saturday.
Yeah. Oh, there's a white thing I just want to fix. It's in the lash. Do you see that? Yeah. That's it. Yeah, they're gorgeous. They're
lashes.
so pretty and like so old.
Have you used the Anastasia Dip Brow?
Yeah, honestly,
Because I don't like it. I just got it and I don't like it. Like I feel like it's too
dry.
yeah.
Yeah, it is. If you want a gel, I would say the Benefit brow gel.
Okay.
Yeah, it's shaped like a little genie type bottle thing. Yeah, it gets like clumpy.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it really does. Yeah, that's what I use in my cart.
Once one, you guys can
Come on, I know you want another one. It's always like tickling. Wow. If you want to.
Oh, it's hot, yeah.
Yes. The first one ever. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. She's like,
I will bring her next time, I promise.
no,
It was quick.
yeah. What time is it?
Yeah.
No, but I swear it's just 3 miles.
18.
3.